Hey there, Crystal Bend, Meteorologist Carly Smith here. We have got a lot to talk about. Of course, heat, a chance for a few storms. Most of us are going to stay dry, though, unless you're sweating. Okay, that wasn't that funny, but we are looking at heat. Heat is the big picture of the day. So, I do hear some weird static coming back on the microphone. And then we'll turn it back on. So maybe that'll help. But right now, the three things that you do need to know, we'll get that up. Anyway, I'm not sure what's going on with the microphone. It was working, it was just kind of low. Now it is definitely staticky, but I'll go through the graphics real fast. Let's see. Not sure if this helps, but anyway, excessive heat, unhealthy air quality also in place today. Very low chance for storms in the coastal bend. So this is what we are looking at. You are seeing these storms moving through Houston now. They are crossing Interstate 10 and they're getting closer to the coastal bend as we speak. But overall, this pocket that went through Bryan College Station, that's going to head toward Victoria and then continue into the coastal bend, most likely Aransas Refugio County. So when we time this out, it looks like it would arrive in Rockport or Beeville earliest, but Beeville probably won't see much rain. You're on the very weak side of this. But if the storm keeps pushing south, it would get to Refugio by around noon, and then Rockport by 12:29, Corpus Christi around 1:07, Bishop 1:39, and if it were to continue, Kingsville 1:52. But I would be more, I think Rockport will get some rain. I don't know about much else in the coastal bend. So heat, also the big issue of the day. Of course, we do have excessive heat warning in place for inland Nueces, inland Clayburgh, Jim Wells, as well as Live Oak. That excessive heat warning is from noon to 8 p.m. Heat advisory for the rest of us. There's a coastal flood advisory through 1 p.m., small craft advisory offshore through 1 p.m. as well. So here's our max heat index values that you can take a look at. Additionally, here is why we see the chance for storms. So we're going to see that outflow boundary move through. As the outflow boundary pushes through and mixes with our heat and high humidity, that is what's going to bring us the best chance for some rainfall in the region. So you'll see that here as that boundary pushes through. Now, this model actually not initiating great at all. So we're actually just going to forget this one, and we're going to look at the HER. We also do have some dry line action that is going to be possible. So you see around noon, I think it'll be a little further south. I think Refugio and Rockport could get these storms around noon. I think this would be a little bit further south. So let's take a look. Let's zoom out. So this isn't initiating great either. Neither of the models are doing a great job at initiating with this line of storms. But what you do see are the storms moving through, and then as the outflow boundary pushes through, we get a chance for some rain. Then we see some activity try to develop on the dry line. I don't expect that to make it into the coastal bend. So the best chance of rain is really right around noon through about 4 p.m. And then we're pretty much done with the rain opportunities. So that's mostly what you need to know, is that there's a chance of rain and it is still dangerously hot. I'm going to go ahead and sign out. If you have any questions, please post them and I'll do my best to answer them.